Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Plugable NVMe Enclosure. So enough talking, let's unplug or unbox this. So inside, got a couple of different things. We've got a little support card there, also asking for a review. What else we got? We've got a little quick start guide, instructions in there for that. Then, well, we've got the main event there, but we'll put that to the side just for a second and see what else is in the box. There's something, here we go. Okay, so we've got a couple of thermal pads there and a couple of little rubberized plastic standoffs. That's pretty cool. We've got a USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C cable, I should say. Really handy. And also USB-A to USB-C, which is really cool. And this is the actual pluggable NVMe enclosure itself. So you've got a little, oh you can tell this is going to be one take because I just dropped it. Let's have a look here. They've got a, okay. So when it's locked in, you can't pull it like that, but there's a little unlock switch there, which you push up and that'll pull it out. All right, so you've got one of those little rubberized standoffs in there. So those must have been extra ones in case you lose this one. And the drive just looks like a plug. Actually, I've got one here. Oh, I did not set that up. That was very lucky. That's the Orico Trudon series drive that I just had off to the side there. Okay. Cool, I just pulled the little bit of rubber to the side and it installed really easily. Cool. So then you just slot it back in. I must not be lining it up, hang on. Okay, so that lock, there we go. Now it's locked into place. So there it is, USB-C on that end there. And yeah, the finned heatsink doesn't feel too bad, so pull it out. Yeah, so what was happening when I was trying to put that in, there's a little bit of a lip there. You may not be able to see it on the camera, but you've got to put that in first and then push it into place. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, all right, that was the pluggable NVMe enclosure. There'll be a link down in the description below for where you can look at that. This will more than likely appear on the main Tech Quiz Time channel a little bit later down the track. For now though, yeah, that's the unboxing. Subscribe over on Tech Quiz Time. If you're enjoying these unboxings, then subscribe over here. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.